Hello everyone, today we will compare Verizon Prepaid and Visible, two popular mobile service options provided by Verizon. So Verizon Prepaid offers flexible, contract-free plans on Verizon's reliable network with a variety of data options and the ability to customize your plan based on your needs. While Visible is a budget-friendly, all-digital carrier owned by Verizon, providing unlimited data, talk, and text on Verizon network with a focus on simplicity and affordability. So in this tutorial, we dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Verizon Prepaid and Visible, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about their network, Verizon Prepaid offers Verizon LTE and 5G, same thing with Visible, since they are both under Verizon. So when we talk about data plans, so Verizon Prepaid offers multiple options, which is 5 gig, 15 gig, or unlimited, while Visible only have two options, which is Visible and Visible Plus. When we talk about hotspot, Verizon Prepaid is available on select plans. So they have hotspot while Visible hotspot is unlimited with a speed of 5 to 10 Mbps. So when we talk about international roaming, Verizon Prepaid have it. So available on select plans while Visible is only limited to Mexico and Canada on Visible plans. And when we talk about the tax and fees, so Verizon Prepaid offers extra tax and fees, and same thing with Visible, also included in the payment. So when it comes to device compatibility, Verizon Prepaid have wide range compatibility, while Visible have only limited compatibility. Lastly, for video streaming quality, Verizon Prepaid can be up to 720p, while Visible up to 480p on base plan, while 720p on Visible Plus. So yes, that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. When it comes to basic plan, Verizon Prepaid offers it for only $35 per month, and that is 5 gig, while Visible offers it for $25 per month, and that data is unlimited. And when it comes to mid-tier plan, Verizon Prepaid offers it for $45 per month, which is 15 gig, while Visible plan have no mid-tier plan. When it comes to unlimited plan, Verizon Prepaid offers it for $65 per month, while Visible offers it for $45 per month on Visible Plus. And lastly, for tax and fees, Verizon Prepaid, as I said, they have it, and Visible also. So yes, that's it. So now we're done with the pricing. So now let's go directly to another section, which is performance. When we talk about data speeds, Verizon Prepaid have high priority on Verizon network, which is fast, while Visible speed is deprioritized during congestion. When we talk about 5G access, Verizon Prepaid is available on select plans, and same thing with Visible on both plans. When it comes to hotspot speed, it varies by plan on Verizon Prepaid, while Visible have a speed of 5 to 10 Mbps. And lastly, for network coverage, Verizon Prepaid have extensive coverage, same thing with Visible, because they are both Verizon. So yes, that's it for the performance. Now let's go directly to the customer support. So when you talk about the customer service, Verizon Prepaid have phone, chat, and in-store customer support, while Visible have only chat support. So when it comes to their availability, Verizon Prepaid have extended hours availability, while Visible have only limited hours availability. When it comes to physical store, Verizon Prepaid have a physical store, while Visible doesn't. And on online resources, Verizon Prepaid is comprehensive, while Visible is limited. So yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the customer support, pricing, features, performance, etc. comparison. So now let's go directly with pros and cons. And let's start by discussing Verizon Prepaid pros and cons. When it comes to Verizon Prepaid, Verizon offers wide range of plans to suit different needs, including options with loyalty discounts. They provide extensive customer support through phone, chat, and in-store service. They are compatible with a broad range of devices, ensuring flexibility for users. And lastly, they have a higher priority data access, which can be crucial during network congestion. When it comes to cons, Verizon Prepaid generally higher cost compared to other prepaid options. They have additional taxes and fees that are not included in the planned prices. And lastly, their hotspot availability and speed is vary by plan, which might limit usage for some users. So that's it for Verizon Prepaid pros and cons. So now let's go directly with visible pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Visible is a simple and affordable plans with unlimited data, making it easy to understand and choose. They include taxes and fees in the plan price, providing transparency in billing. They have unlimited hotspot data, though the speeds are capped at 5 to 10 Mbps. And lastly, they utilize Verizon extensive LTE and 5G network, ensuring good coverage. So that's it for the pros. For the cons, visible data speeds can be deprioritized during network congestion, affecting performance. They have a limited customer support options, primarily to chat, and they have a fewer device compatibility options compared to Verizon Prepaid. So that's it for the visible pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Verizon Prepaid. So Verizon Prepaid is referable for someone or ideal for users who need variety of plan options and prefer having the flexibility to choose based on their specific needs. So suitable for those who value extensive customer support and the ability to visit physical stores and assistance. Also a good choice for frequent international travelers who need reliable roaming options. And lastly, best for users who require higher priority data access, especially in congested areas. So yes, if you have all of these qualities right here, Verizon Prepaid is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Visible, so Visible is referable for someone or perfect for budget conscious users who want straightforward, unlimited plans without worrying about additional fees. Also great for those who prefer simplicity and transparency in their billing. Also suitable for users who don't need extensive customer support and are comfortable with online chat assistant. And lastly, ideal for users who want all-inclusive pricing and don't mind potential reprioritization during peak times. So yes, if you have all of these qualities right here, Visible is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, all platforms, like both platforms, Verizon Prepaid and Visible offer unique advantages depending on your needs. Verizon Prepaid is ideal for those who need a variety of plan options, extensive customer support, and higher priority data. On the other hand, Visible is perfect for budget-conscious users who prefer simple, unlimited plans with all-inclusive pricing. So if you're deciding between Verizon Prepaid and Visible, consider your specific needs and budget. Verizon Prepaid offers flexibility and loyalty discounts, while Visible provides affordable unlimited plans with no hidden fees. So choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and start enjoying great service today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more comparisons and insights. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you. And also that's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one.